Can you translate Odia to English?
Yes, sir.
Okay. ମୁଁ ଗୋଟିଏ ପେନ୍ ଆଣିଲି।
I brought a pen.
ମୁଁ ଗୋଟିଏ ପେନ୍ କିଣିଲି।
I bought a pen.
ତୁମେ ଗୋଟିଏ ପେନ୍ ଦରକାର କି?
Do you need a pen?
ସେମାନେ କାହିଁକି ଗଲେ?
Why did they go?
ତୁମେ ଯିବ କି?
Will you go?
ତୁମେ କେତେବେଳେ ଯାଅ?
When do you go?
ତୁମେ କେତେବେଳେ ଯାଅ? When do you go? ତୁମକୁ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଗାଧୋଇବା ଉଚିତ।
You should bath now.
ସେମାନେ କେତେବେଳେ ତୁମକୁ ଦେଖା କରିବେ?
When will they meet to you?
When will they meet you? ସେମାନେ ଆସନ୍ତା କାଲି ମୋତେ ଦେଖା କରିବେ।
They will meet me tomorrow.
ତୁମକୁ କିଏ ଇଂଲିଶ ପଢ଼ାନ୍ତି?
Who teach you English?
Who teaches you English? ଆମକୁ ପ୍ରାଣ ସାର୍ ଇଂଲିଶ ପଢ଼ାନ୍ତି।
Prana sir teaches us English.
ତୁମେ କେଉଁଠାରେ ପଢ଼?
Where will you study?
ତୁମେ କେଉଁଠାରେ ପଢ଼? Where do you study? ଆମେ ସରସ୍ୱତୀ ଟ୍ୟୁଟୋରିଆଲରେ ପଢ଼ୁ।
We read in Saraswati tutorial.
ତୁମେ କେମିତି ଇଂଲିଶ ଶିଖିଲ?
How did you learn English?
ମୁଁ ଇଂଲିଶ ସରସ୍ୱତୀ ଟ୍ୟୁଟୋରିଆଲରେ ଶିଖିଲି।
I learned English from Saraswati tutorial.
I learned English in ସରସ୍ୱତୀ ଟ୍ୟୁଟୋରିଆଲ। ସେମାନେ କାହିଁକି ତୁମକୁ ଗାଳି ଦେଲେ?
Why did they scold you?
Why did they scold you? Okay. ମୁଁ 2 ପେଜ ଇଂଲିଶ ଲେଖିଲି।
I wrote 2 pages English.
ମୁଁ ମୋ ମା ପାଖକୁ ଚିଠିଟିଏ ଲେଖିଲି।
I wrote a letter to my mother.
ତୁମେ ଲେଖିଲ କି?
Did you write?
ତମେ କ'ଣ ଲେଖିଲ?
What did you write?
ସେମାନେ ଖେଳୁଥିଲେ।
They were playing.
ସେମାନେ ଖେଳୁଥିବେ।
They will be playing.
ସେମାନେ ନାଚିଛନ୍ତି।
They have danced.
They have ସେମାନେ ପହଁରିଛନ୍ତି।
They have swam.
They have swum. They have swum. ତୁମେ ଗୋଟିଏ କାହାଣୀ ଲେଖୁଅଛ।
You are writing a story.
ମୁଁ ଗୋଟିଏ ଗୀତ ଲେଖୁଅଛି।
I am writing a song.
ସେ ରୋଷେଇ କରୁଅଛି।
He is cooking.
ସେମାନେ କାହିଁକି ତୁମକୁ ଡାକିଲେ ନାହିଁ?
Why didn't they call you?
ସେମାନେ ମୋତେ ଡାକିଲେ ନାହିଁ।
They didn't call me.
ସେମାନେ କାହିଁକି ରୋଷେଇ କଲେ ନାହିଁ?
Why didn't they cook?
ସେମାନେ କାହିଁକି ହୋମୱାର୍କ କଲେ ନାହିଁ?
Why didn't they do their homework?
Why didn't
They do
they do their homework? Very good. ତୁମର ବୟସ କେତେ?
How old are you?
ତାର ବୟସ କେତେ?
How old is he?
How old is he? ତୁମେ ଇଂଲିଶ ଶିଖିଲ କି?
Did you learn English?
ତୁମେ ଇଂଲିଶ କହିଲ କି?
Did you speak English?
ତୁମେ ଇଂଲିଶ କହିପାରିବ କି?
Can you speak English?
ତୁମେ ଇଂଲିଶ ଲେଖିପାର କି?
Can you write English?
ତୁମେ ନିହାତି ଇଂଲିଶ କହିବା ଦରକାର। You must
speak English.
ତୁମକୁ ଗୋଟେ ପେନ୍ ଦରକାର।
You need a pen.
ତାକୁ ଗୋଟେ ବହି ଦରକାର।
He need a book.
He needs a book. ତୁମକୁ ଗୋଟେ ସାଇକେଲ ଦରକାର କି?
Do you need a cycle?
ମୁଁ ଭାତ ଖାଇବାକୁ ଭଲ ପାଏ।
I like to eat rice.
ସେ ରୁଟି ଖାଇବାକୁ ଭଲ ପାଏ।
He likes to eat chapati.
वेरी गुड, ताली हो जाए इसके लिए, ताली हो जाए, जोर से। रानी कांदिला।
Rani cried.
रानी कांदिला की?
Did Rani cry?
रानी को किए देला?
Who gave to Rani?
Who gave to रानी? सेमानकु किए पचारिला? Who asked them? Who asked them? तुम सेमानकु इंग्लिश जाना नहीं।
They don't know English.
They don't know
English.
सेमानकु इंग्लिश कही आसे नहीं।
They don't know how to speak English.
सेमानकु साइकिल चलाई आसे नहीं।
They don't know how to ride the cycle.
मु रोषेई करिवा जाने नहीं।
I don't know how to cook.
मु कार चलाई जाने नहीं।
I don't know how to ride a car.
I don't know how to drive a car. How to drive a car? 4-wheeler car. Drive. 2-wheeler ride. Okay. सेमानकु किए देला?
Who gave them?
सेमानको सहित मु देखा करिबी।
I will meet them.
सेमानको मु आसंता काली देखा करिबी।
I will meet them tomorrow.
पापा मो सहित आसिले नहीं।
My father didn't come with me.
मो माँ मो सहित किशननगर आसिले।
My mother came with me to the Kishannagar.
My mother came with me
to Kishannagar.